Let's face facts, grooming issues happen to all of us. From dandruff to the dreaded unibrow, acne to flat lifeless hair, these common issues can be a confidence killer. But in this video, we're going to share the fixes you need to keep things fresh. Think of it as your grooming survival guide. After all, we're not here to let some body odor or a rogue nose hair ruin anyone's day. We're tackling the 15 most common grooming issues men face and showing you exactly how to overcome each one. Starting with number 1, dandruff and dry scalp. Dandruff isn't exactly the look any of us are going for. Flakes on your shoulders are about as welcome as rain on your wedding day. Most guys grab the first anti-dandruff shampoo they see, thinking any old bottle will do the trick. But here's the kicker. Not all anti-dandruff shampoos are created equal. The secret ingredient that actually makes a difference is coal tar. This one ingredient is a real game changer when it comes to actually eliminating dandruff for good. That's where control comes in. Packed with coal tar for effectiveness and menthol to counteract that smell and give a fresh feeling, it's the ultimate dandruff busting shampoo. Use it regularly, pair it with a quality conditioner, and you'll be flake free in no time. Problem solved. Number 2, Smelly Balls. Things can get a little ripe down there. Throughout the day, sweat builds up, friction causes irritation, and the discomfort can become all too real. Growing up, you might have learned how to shave or tie a tie, but let's be honest, nobody taught you the importance of powder in the boys. Here's the fix. Grab our body and balls powder specifically designed to keep you dry, fresh and irritation free all day. Just sprinkle a small amount in your hands, cup and apply. This premium talc-free powder absorbs moisture, eliminates odor and soothes the skin for unmatched comfort. Number 3, lack of hair volume. Nothing says rough morning more than flat, lifeless hair. A lifeless look isn't doing anyone any favors. But here's the secret. Volume comes from adding texture, not just piling on more product. There are 2 game-changing products for that natural, effortless volume: sea salt spray and texture powder. Sea salt spray is perfect for effortless volume, mimicking a beach day's light textured lift without weighing hair down. But grab one that includes sea kelp so your hair doesn't dry out. Then there's texture powder, a barber's secret for weightless lift and thickness. Just sprinkle a small amount at the roots of dry hair, style with your fingers, and enjoy a fuller, natural finish that lasts all day. Number 4, unibrow and bushy eyebrows. Eyebrows, plural, let's keep it that way. If your brows are merging into one, it's time to split them up. A simple tweezing session will do the trick, but don't go overboard. A quick comb through and tidy up will keep your brows looking sharp without the overplucked horror story. Pro tip, slow and steady wins here, as you don't want to overdo it. A well-groomed brow changes the game, giving you a look that says polished rather than peekaboo caterpillars. Number 5, dry brittle hair. Dry brittle hair is nobody's idea of a good time. When your hair feels more like straw than style, it's a sign that it's gone through the ringer. Heat, sun, and endless shampooing can strip away those essential oils, leaving your locks desperate for hydration. Most of us have been led to believe we need to shampoo every day, but here's the truth. Conditioner is the real MVP. So grab a high quality conditioner and make it part of your daily routine while your hair is feeling brittle and dry. Just apply a small amount to wet hair in the shower, leave it on for a few minutes while you wash up and rinse thoroughly. You can also try a leave-in conditioner like Smooth to keep your hair looking shiny and sleek all day long. Number 6, acne and pimples. Nothing throws off your confidence more than a breakout that pops up at the worst time. But before you launch full-on attack in front of the mirror, here's the deal. Popping spots with your fingers only makes it worse. Your fingers carry bacteria that can spread to other areas, making breakouts multiply and even leaving scars. Instead, grab an acne kit designed to clean, clear, and prevent breakouts without the extra mess. Add a deep cleaning facial scrub to keep pores unclogged and skin smooth, and you'll be dealing with acne with finesse, not fingers. And yes, facials aren't just for the ladies. They're a powerful way to keep your skin in check and looking its best. If a facial is out of your budget, up your water intake, which can really help clear up your skin. Number 7, frizzy hair. Frizz is the arch nemesis of smooth hair. You know the drill, step outside and your hair balloons up like a cotton ball. Frizz happens when hair cuticles dry out and soak up moisture from the air. The solution? Argan oil. This stuff is liquid gold for your hair, packed with vitamin E and fatty acids to keep strands hydrated, tame the frizz, and bring on the shine. Ideal for thicker, wider hair, but a win for all types. A pre-styler like Treat is packed with argan oil to help you combat the unwanted frizz. When you use it, your hair will finally behave and you'll be looking smooth, not storm weathered. Number 8, nose and ear hair. Nose hairs aren't for public view. When they start peeking out, it's time to take action. Don't grab your razor and attempt some impossible angle to reach them, and definitely skip the painful finger tugging method. Neither works well, and honestly, they just hurt. The fix? A good nose hair trimmer. It's quick, painless, and gets the job done without the painful pulling and tugging. This small handy device is USB chargeable, so it's easy to keep powered up. Just turn it on, and it takes care of those peaky nose hairs with ease. While you're at it, use the same trimmer to tidy up around your ears. Make it part of your routine, and you'll stay effortlessly neat and tidy. Coming in at number 9, itchy beard. Beards are great, but an itchy beard is enough to make anyone question their life choices. Usually the culprit is dry skin underneath that's just begging for moisture, and this is why a good beard oil can really help. A few drops will hydrate the skin, ease the itch, and give your beard a healthy shine. Plus, it keeps beard dandruff at bay. Your beard deserves to be treated right, so make this part of your grooming routine. Number 10, Backne. Back acne or Backne is something most guys ignore because, well, out of sight, out of mind. But imagine this, things go well after a date and you're feeling ready to shed the shirt, only to remember what's going on back there. Not exactly a confidence booster. It's worth tackling head on. A good back scrubber paired with a quality body wash will help exfoliate those hard to reach spots, clearing up your skin and keeping breakouts at bay. With a little routine care, you'll be Backne free, beach ready, and confident enough to lose that shirt anytime. Number 11, body odor. Nobody wants to be that guy who smells up the room. A solid body odor routine starts with a good shower, using a high quality body wash and loofah to eliminate the buildup of sweat. Once showered, follow up with a deodorant that works as hard as you do. Fresh is a natural deodorant that not only combats sweat, but also leaves you smelling great, keeping your armpits in check without the harsh chemicals. Number 12, razor burn. Razor burn is that irritating little reminder that sometimes shaving can be a pain, literally. But here's the trick. The secret to a smooth shave is all in the prep. Hot water, a quality pre-shave oil, and a clean razor are your best friends. Then finish with a cooling aftershave balm to keep the burn at bay. Remember, your shave should be seamless, not leave you looking like you've lost a fight with your razor. Number 13, nasty nails. Let's not kid ourselves. Clean, trimmed nails make a solid impression. If you're rocking grubby, overground nails, you're sending all the wrong signals. Picture this, you're on a date, everything's going great, but when you reach to pay, she gets a full view of those rough, neglected nails. Not exactly the finishing touch you want. The simple solution, a quick nail kit at home can work wonders, giving you clean, polished nails in minutes. Or if you're feeling a little bit adventurous, head to a nail salon. Sure, it might feel a little out of your comfort zone, but you'll walk out with hands that look fresh, polished, and ready for any situation. Number 14, dry, cracked feet. No one wants to see cracked, rough feet, especially when the summer months hit and you're lounging by the pool or kicking back in flip-flops. Dry, calloused feet aren't just uncomfortable, they're definitely not a good look. Make a foot file your weekly shower essential to keep those heels smooth, soft, and touchable. And trust us, whether it's poolside or anywhere else, no one's looking to play footsie with sandpaper. Number 15, back hair. Some might argue that chest hair can be charming, but back hair, definitely not. It traps sweat, makes you hotter, and let's be real, isn't winning any style points. If you're ready to go smooth, invest in a quality back razor you can use solo for a quick, hassle-free fix. Or if you want a longer lasting solution, consider waxing. Find a professional or rope in that friend you owe a favor to and get it done right. Either way, you'll be left with a clean, smooth back that feels way cooler and looks a whole lot better. So there we have it, the 15 grooming issues most men face and how to eliminate them for good. Start with the biggest problem areas and get those handled first. Grab the recommended products from the link in the description below and you'll be on your way to a cleaner, fresher, and more confident you.